Good morning, all of you. Welcome to the listing ceremony of Ganesh Greens, a dynamic company that is finally achieving its one of the biggest milestones in its company success story. I welcome all of you, all the audience members, all the ladies who got dressed up at 8 in the morning and came here, all the dignitaries seated on the stage, all the family members, and the team of Ganesh as well. Welcome to all of you. I shall welcome all the guests sitting on the stage with us. And for that, I'd like to call forward Mr. Ketan Patel to give a flower bouquet to our guest, Shri Ashish Goyal, who is the Vice President at NSE, National Stock Exchange Limited. I request Ketan sir to please give a flower bouquet as a token of appreciation for his presence here. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I'd like to call forward Neerav sir to welcome our guest, Mr. Prateek Jain, who is the Managing Director of Hem Securities Limited. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I'd like to call forward Mr. Krunal Shah to welcome our dignitary, Mr. Ketan Patel, who is the Chairman and Managing Director of Ganesh Green Limited. Thank you so much, sir. Krunal sir, I request you to remain standing. And next, I'd like to call forward Mr. Rajendra Patel, who is the whole-time director of Ganesh Green Bharat Limited. Thank you so much, sir. For the next guest, I'd like to call forward Ketan sir to give a flower bouquet to Mr. Neerav Patel, who is the whole-time director of Ganesh Green Bharat Limited. I request Ketan sir to please present a bouquet of appreciation to Neerav Patel. Thank you so much, sir. I'd like to call forward Rajendra sir to present a bouquet of appreciation to Mr. Krunal Shah, who is the CFO of Ganesh Greens Bharat Limited. Thank you so much, sirs. Thank you for joining us here. And I shall officially put in start to this event. I request all the people to please stand up for the national anthem.
Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Vanga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchchala Jaladhi Taranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you so much. If you hadn't noticed, company का नाम ही गणेश है. So a very holy and auspicious name in itself, and रिद्धि सिद्धि के जो दाता हैं, everything that starts with their name, their puja. How can we forget them on today's auspicious day? So I think we shall start first of all by lighting the lamp as a prayer to Lord Ganesha and all the lords for wisdom and blessings to us. I request all the dignitaries present on the stage to please move near the lamp and light up the lamp as a symbol and token of blessings and prayers. Please, sir.
आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
शुभम करोत्तम कल्याणम मतलब जो आरोग्य धन संपत्ति देने वाली ये जो दिया है उसको हमारा शत शत प्रणाम. When we start with a prayer, the event immediately becomes a very serene place, a place with a lot of calm and a lot of positive energy. So I think with this lamp, we have also blessed our success of Ganesh Greens, जिसका नाम ही इतना शुभ है, उसके सक्सेस को क्या कोई रोकेगा. Moving forward, just to give you a brief about the company, Ganesh Green Bharat Limited, also known as GGBL, is currently providing comprehensive portfolios in the field of manufacturing, supply, installation, testing and commissioning of solar and electrical goods and services to various government bodies as well as PSUs. Incorporated in 2016, the company gradually has catered to multiple verticals, including water supply, electrical contracting, and solar services. With a spread over 9 states in the nation and a workforce of 150 officials, Ganesh Greens has completed 27 grand projects across the nation till now. And with a current order book of 313 crores and an expansion plan of 400 megawatts, Ganesh Greens is finally getting listed today on the platform of National Stock Exchange. So I think a huge round of applause for that milestone. I can see that the company started in just 2016 as a partnership, और सिर्फ 8 सालों में they have gotten to the point that they can be listed on NSE. What a commendable effort and dedication by the team. In just 8 years, from here, they have gone to NSE. And now that we see that this in 8 years, इन्होंने इतना कुछ कर दिया, what can we imagine of the future, that what will they do? So when we think of the success of Ganesh, I think the only imagination or the only limit is infinite for the success. So a huge round of applause for the whole team, the promoter sitting here who has given constant efforts to the company and has made it reach to this point. Moving forward, I call forward our guest, Mr. Ashish Goyal, to present the listing certificate and memento by NSE to the team of Ganesh Greens, that is Ketan sir, Neerav sir, Rajendra sir, Kunal sir. I request you to please come forward and take the memento and listing certificate as a token of, I think, finally getting listed in NSE, a proof that they can keep it in their homes or office. I think Ashish sir has finally given a seal to Ganesh Green that it is getting listed on NSE and it is going to do great in the future. Beautiful moment both for the company and the exchange. Thank you so much, sir. I request Ashish sir to present the memento to Prateek Jain, who is the Managing Director of Hem Securities, a memento by NSE to the lead manager to the issue. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Ashish sir. Moving forward. जब हमें मौका मिला ही है तो Ashish sir, I request you to please share a few words with us. I invite Mr. Ashish Goel, who is the Vice President of NSE, to please come on the podium and share a few words with us regarding today's listing. Please, sir.
National Stock Exchange welcomes Ganesh Green Bharat Limited to the family of NSE listed companies. We congratulate Mr. Ketan Bhai Patel, Mr. Rajendra Kumar Patel, Mr. Nirav Kumar Patel, Shilpa Ben K. Patel, the non-executive director, Mr. Palak Shah, Sahil Gala, as independent directors of Ganesh Green Bharat Limited. We also congratulate the merchant banker Hem Securities Limited, Mr. Prateek Jain, Mr. Gaurav Jain, and the entire team of Hem. Ganesh Green Bharat Limited is electrical contractor service company. The company offers range of services including supply, installation, testing, and commissioning of solar and electric goods and services to various government bodies. Ganesh Green Bharat Limited came with an IPO of 125.23 crores. And this is the 497th company on NSE eMerge platform. This platform of NSE, targeted at bringing in MSME companies to the listing platform, has raised 11,637 crores as we move forward. As we all know, India with market capitalization of around 5.36 trillions is the fourth largest market in the world. The same has grown around 88 times since NSE's inception in 1994. I am happy to tell you that NSE has reached out to 99.85% of the PIN codes in India with greater than 9 crore registered investors and around 5 crores households. Almost 17% of our population directly invest in stock market today. As we all know, the Nifty 50, the benchmark index of NSE, has touched an high of 24,400 plus. The CAGR of Nifty 50, as we stand today, since January 2004 is around 13.2%. We hope that this successful listing of Ganesh Green Bharat Limited will inspire many more companies to look at public market as a promising alternative. We congratulate the entire team of Ganesh Green Bharat Limited, the merchant bankers Hem Security Limited, and other associates who have worked for the IPO. Today's listing is a testimony of all the hard work put in by Ganesh and the Hem Securities team. We hope that this listing marks the beginning of partnership between NSE and Ganesh Green Bharat Limited. Again, a big congratulations to the entire team of Ganesh Green Bharat Limited and the merchant bankers. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. I think Ganesh is going to be one of the success stories of NSE listings. Moving forward, I'd like to call upon the podium Mr. Nirav Patel, who is the youngest director of Ganesh Green Bharat, to please share a few words with us on this happy occasion.
It is my great honor to welcome you all this significant occasion. I am proud to share a brief story of journey at Ganesh Green Bharat Limited. Our company started in 2016 as a partnership firm with a shared vision with greener future. Through hard work and dedication, we grew and converted into the private limited company in 2019. Today, we are proud to be in the business of solar manufacturing, EPC for solar, water, and electrical projects. As a youngest director of the Ganesh Green Bharat Limited, I see tremendous potential in our company. We have already achieved so much, and we have exciting plans for new future. We aim to enhance our solar manufacturing capacity, committed to deliver sustainable energy solution. I am excited about the road ahead and confident in our ability to make a positive impact. कुछ और बात आप सभी को मैं बताना चाहूँगा। गणेश ग्रीन भारत, ये जो नाम है, आपको बहुत जगह, कहीं जगह पे आपको बहुत बार सुनाई देने वाला है अब, बिकॉज आवर विज़न इज़ सोलर इंडस्ट्री में भारत में टॉप 5 में आना, हमारा इस कंपनी को ले जाना हमारा विज़न है। गणेश ग्रीन भारत में जो भारत वर्ड है वो हमने बहुत सोच समझ के डाला है। हमारा विज़न सिर्फ इंडिया में टॉप 5 कंपनी में आने तक सीमित नहीं है। हमारा विज़न पूरी दुनिया में इस कंपनी को ले जाना है। हम कंपनी को आगे ले जाने के लिए बहुत R&D करते हैं, जो आने वाली प्रोडक्ट हो, आने वाली रिक्वायरमेंट हो या क्वालिटी को इम्प्रूवमेंट हो, इन सभी में 24 घंटे हम काम करते रहते हैं, तब जाके सस्टेनेबल सॉल्यूशन हम दे पाते हैं। आप सभी का आभार व्यक्त करना चाहूँगा हमसे जुड़ने के लिए। आभार, थैंक यू।
I think उनका गोल है टॉप 5 कंपनीज में पहुंचना, एंड विद देयर डेडिकेशन आई थिंक इट सीम्स पॉसिबल आल्सो दैट इन नेक्स्ट 8 years probably they will be sitting here for celebrating top 5 companies in India. So a huge round of applause to him for having a big vision. And I hope that 400 megawatts का भी प्लान है, नेक्स्ट 8 years में वो शायद 500 हो जाए, मे बी वी कैन रीच टू गीगावाट्स ऑल्सो, वाई नॉट सर? Okay, moving forward, I shall call Mr. Ketan Patel, who is the Chairman and Managing Director of Ganesh Green Bharat, to please come on the podium and share a few words with us.
माननीय श्री आशीष गोयल, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट NSC, श्री प्रतीक जैन, डायरेक्टर हेम सिक्योरिटी, श्री अभिषेक जैन, एडवाइज़र, ऑल पार्टनर एंड फैमिली गणेश ग्रीन भारत। आज मैं अपनी जर्नी बताना चाहता हूँ। मैंने स्टार्टिंग से 400 रुपये नौकरी से मेरी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई थी। जब मैं सबमर्सिबल रिपेयरिंग की छोटी सी एक 10 बाय 10 की दुकान में हमने सबमर्सिबल का रिपेयरिंग का काम स्टार्ट किया था। फिर थोड़े दिन के बाद और थोड़ा बहुत पैसा बचा के हमने और ट्यूबवेल बनाना स्टार्ट किया और थोड़ा बहुत पैसा कमाए, तो उसके बाद हमने छोटे मोटे गणेश इलेक्ट्रिकल्स के काम स्टार्ट किए। साइंस सिटी, गुजरात काउंसिल ऑफ साइंस सिटी है, वहाँ से हमको थोड़ा बहुत टेंडरिंग का काम स्टार्ट किया और थोड़ा आगे बढ़े तो फिर हमने गणेश इलेक्ट्रिकल्स प्रोप्राइटरशिप स्टार्ट की। उसमें हमने 1 लाख कॉन्ट्रैक्टर का रजिस्ट्रेशन लिया। उसके बाद हम थोड़े बहुत आगे बढ़ने लगे। इसके बाद हमने दहेज GIDC, साणंद GIDC में 70% स्ट्रीट लाइट हमने लगवाई। उसके बाद साणंद में मंडल में जापानीज जोन है, वहाँ पे हमने भी स्ट्रीट लाइट का काम किया। थोड़ा और आगे बढ़े तो अहमदाबाद म्यूनसिपल कॉरपोरेशन में हमने 40% स्ट्रीट लाइट हमने खुद लगाई हुई है, जो SC20 के गवर्नमेंट स्कीम के तहत थी। उसके बाद हम थोड़े और आगे बढ़े तो गवर्नमेंट में जो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने एक स्कीम निकाली, उसमें हर घर बिजली। तो हर घर बिजली में जो ट्राइबल रूरल एरिया जो था, वहाँ हमने गुजरात में अंबाजी से स्टार्ट किया था काम। धीरे धीरे और स्टेट ऐड करने लगे, राजस्थान ऐड किया, उसके बाद हमने छत्तीसगढ़ ऐड किया। तो सबसे ज़्यादा इंडिया में जो सोलर होम लाइटिंग सिस्टम है, एक गणेश इलेक्ट्रिकल ने लगवाई। उसके बाद और आगे बढ़े तो मतलब सारे PSU कंपनी में हमने आज कॉलफील्ड इंडिया, SGVNL और सारे जगह पे मतलब जो इंडियन ऑयल है, ONGC है, वो PSU कंपनी में आज हम लोग बहुत अच्छी तरह से काम कर रहे हैं। और अभी हमने लेटेस्ट मतलब जो पैनल की रिक्वायरमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा रहती थी, टाइम पे डिलीवरी नहीं हो रही थी और क्वालिटी में इश्यू आ रहा था, तो EPC काम करने में बहुत दिक्कतें आ रही थी। तो इसीलिए हमने अभी लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी टॉपकॉन HJT सपोर्टेड और एक 250 मेगावाट का अभी प्लांट स्टार्ट किया हुआ है। फ्यूचर में हम लोग 1 गीगावाट तक प्लांट का प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं। अभी जो भी अभी हो रहा है, जैसे भी अभी नीरज जी ने बताया है कि भाई टॉप 5 में हमारा नाम होना चाहिए, कोशिश करेंगे कि 5 साल के अंदर हम लोग टियर 1 में घुस जाएंगे मतलब। और आप लोगों ने, शेयर होल्डरों ने, मतलब जो इन्वेस्टर है, आप लोगों ने हमारे पे जो भरोसा किया, उससे दिल से मैं आपकी इज्जत करता हूँ। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सो मच सर। सर ने बोला कि दे स्टार्टेड विद जस्ट 400 रुपीज़। 400 रुपीज़ से स्टार्ट करना और फिर 125 करोड़ का आईपीओ लाना, व्हाट अ कमेंडेबल जर्नी सर। अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर देम एंड फॉर द डेडिकेशन दे हैव शोन। मैंने एक चीज़ नोटिस करी है, जब से सर आए ना उनकी स्माइल ज़रा सी भी नहीं कम हुई है। लिस्टिंग के बाद ये बढ़ी जाएगी, बत्ती से दिखने लगेगी। Moving forward, calling on the stage, Mr. Pratik Jain, sharing a few words. He was the lead manager, Hem Securities was the lead manager to the issue. Calling him on the podium to share a few words with us, sir, on this journey of listing Ganesh Greens.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Hem Securities, I would like to thank you all for joining us today to celebrate the listing of Ganesh Green Bharat on NSE Emerge platform. Listing is a very, very important milestone in a company's corporate journey, and this day, 12th July 2024, will be remembered forever now as the day of listing of Ganesh Green Bharat. So firstly, I would like to congratulate the entire team of Ganesh, the promoters, Ketan Bhai, Rajendra Bhai, Neerav Bhai, for getting the company listed and achieving this important milestone. I feel, sir, it is your dedication, vision, and your commitment to excellence that you have been able to accomplish this. There are very few companies in India who have been able to do this. India is a land of SMEs. There are more than 15 lakh active companies in the country as of today. And out of that, only 7,000 companies have got themselves listed till now. Today, we can proudly say that yes, even Ganesh is also a part of that elite group of listed companies in the country. As merchant bankers, we are continuously meeting different companies, new promoters on a daily basis. But there are only a few companies in which we get a instant, you can say, conviction or a immediate confidence that yes, something big is going to happen here, something big can unfold here. And we were amazed to see the crystal clear vision of the promoters, the coordination amongst the teams, and the desire to take the company to the next level. What we heard that Ketan Bhai started from 400 rupees to now 125 crore IPO, it's a commendable thing. So Ganesh Green is an example in itself. And we were not the only ones who were excited about this, even the investors were. So as soon as we filed the offer document at the exchange, we started receiving various calls from the investors, from the institutions that when are you opening this IPO? When is Ganesh IPO coming? What is the price? What is the date? And on and on. And the result is in front of you all. Ganesh Green was the largest SME IPO on the NSE Emerge platform. And the IPO got oversubscribed by 213 times. We asked for, or the company asked for 125 crore rupees. Investors gave them 19,000 crore rupees. We received around 7 lakh applications from all parts of the country, but we were able to give allotment to only about 5,000 successful investors. So less than 1% of the applicants got allotment. Interesting to see, more than 100 institutional investors applied in this IPO. And there were around 31 investors who wrote a single check of 50 crore rupees or more. Wow. So I would like to thank all the investors for showing their continued support to our listings. As Hem Securities, this is our 113th company to get listed on the Indian stock markets. The overall market cap of SME listed companies in India is around 4 lakh crores. And out of that, the companies listed by us have a market cap of around 40,000 crores. I believe 1,000 crores is getting added today to this list. Special thanks to NSE for giving us this platform and helping SME companies to get listed and raise the much required growth capital. I would like to thank the promoters and management of Ganesh Green for giving us this opportunity to be their lead managers. It was completely our honor to be a part of this IPO. Also, I would like to acknowledge the efforts put in by the teams at Ganesh, our team at Hem Securities, and all the other intermediaries like legal advisors, bankers, registrars, Ashok Bhai of ProX Advisors, Abhishek Bhai of ProX Advisors, and everyone else connected with this IPO. It is always a combined team effort which leads to a successful closure of a transaction. Well, this is a moment of joy, but I would like to add that listing does comes with certain added responsibilities. Ketan Bhai, till today you were focused on your teams, your clients, your bankers or your board of directors, but now you have thousands of investors who are with you, who have shown their trust on you and whose growth is linked to the company's growth. Now you have thousands of well-wishers with you. This feeling and this realization will definitely be a great motivation. And I am sure under the guidance of the management, Ganesh Green is bound to grow and achieve newer heights. Once again, congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. The time has arrived of the listing. The countdown has started. I request all the dignitaries, all the family members seated in the front, and our guests to please come forward. All the family members from here, please come forward for the bell ringing ceremony. And the countdown has started. I request all of you to please join me in the countdown when it reaches the 10 mark. I hope all of you will join me. Give me thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yes, that's the spirit. The countdown shows only 20 seconds. So I request all of you to please arrange yourselves as soon as possible. Okay, it is about to reach the 10 mark. Please join me in the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, it has opened, I think. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it will open now. As expected, it has opened at a marvelous price. Positively. It has opened at 379 with an increase of 99% from its issue price. A 99% increase from its issue price, that was of 190 rupees. Incredible results. I request all of you to please give them a huge round of applause. Congratulations to the promoters of the team, the lead manager to the issue, and the platform NSE. Ganesh Green Bharat is successfully listed on the NSE platform. I think listing ceremony में party का माहौल बन चुका है. Everybody is just so happy. They just don't want to sit down and just want to enjoy this happiness of this long lasting effort. Congratulations to the promoters, to the well-wishers, to the family members. I request the dignitaries to please be arranged for a photograph and then we can proceed to be seated. All the dignitaries, I request all of you to please stand for a picture. All the people, I request all of you to please be seated. All the dignitaries, I request all of you to please arrange yourselves for a quick picture, then move on. We shall do the photographs afterwards, for sure. I request all of you to please be seated as we have to move on. I request all the audience members to please be seated. I know excitement बहुत ज़्यादा है, but ceremony तो चलनी चाहिए. And therefore, I request all of you to please be seated at your respective seats. मैंने सर की स्माइल के बारे में कुछ बोला था. आई थिंक पहले वो एंटिसिपेशन था क्योंकि लिस्टिंग के बाद तो उससे भी बड़ी स्माइल देखी है मैंने. दे वर ऑल सो हैप्पी एंड सो एंजॉय दैट द कंपनी हैज़ डन ट्रिमेंडस जॉब. सो अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर इट्स सक्सेस. आई थिंक इट वॉज वेरी एक्सपेक्टेड एंड वेरी वेल डिजर्व्ड फॉर द कंपनी. Moving forward, I think Prateek sir mentioned that it is one of the most successful IPOs in the history of NSE. The most successful, I think. Largest IPO in the history of NSE. I think it is an incredible thing to ask for 125 crores and investors बोलते हैं यार तुम पैसे रख लो, हमें पता है कि तुम वापस दोगे, because the company is doing so great, हमें पैसे डालने ही है. So it is amazing what the company shows in potential and the work that they are doing. Huge round of applause for the promoters, Ketan sir, Rajendra sir, Neerav sir, all three of them, as well as Krunal sir, who has shown tremendous dedication. Moving forward, I'd like to call on the stage CA Abhishek Jain to share a few words with us on this happy occasion. I think sir will be able to express the happiness more than me because he has been part of the company. Sir, please.
Good morning, all. So, I've been part of Ganesh Group since they had a turnover of 20 lakhs, I guess. And I have seen their journey from 20 lakhs to this 200 crore turnover. And speaking of Ketan bhai, Neerav bhai and Rajendra bhai, they have been working meticulously on field to get the work done. They have been doing work with the government. Government is one of the key contributor to their company. And it is very difficult to work with the government if you are working not with meticulously. So, I would applaud Shri Ketan bhai, Neerav bhai and Rajendra bhai for being so much involved in the business, for being very cautious about getting the projects and building the team from the scratch. So they have come from the grounds, they have come from the grassroots, and I would like you all to clap for them for a moment. I am not the auditor of the company, I am not the CS of the company, I am just a consultant with them and have been working with them since now, I guess 7-8 years now. So I have not seen persons like that. They are more of a family to me rather than a client. So for the whole Ganesh family, again a big round of applause for being very good at the things they do it. In the bad times, they have stuck together. In the good times, they have stuck together. And I guess the journey has just started. We will be looking at more and more bigger opportunity in Ganesh. We will be open to multiple orders now. and being a listed company, it will give us a great branding exercise. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
I think sir mentioned one thing, that the journey has just started, and I think Pratik sir also mentioned it, that listing ke baad the actual responsibility starts, where it's just not the company you have to maintain, but the investors' happiness. But I'm so sure that Ketan sir, Neerav sir, and Rajendra sir will do it effortlessly, because they themselves want to grow this company so tremendously in the future. So it is a start of the journey, but indeed it is a beautiful start of the journey. Moving forward, we shall move on to present a token of appreciation, for which I'd like to call forward Ketan sir to present a token of appreciation to Mr. Ashish Goel, who is the Vice President of NSE. I request Ketan sir to please come forward and present a memento to Ashish sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Ashish, sir. Next, I'd like to call forward Neerav, sir, to present a memento to Mr. Pratik Jain, who is the Managing Director of HAME Securities. I request you to please come forward. I request Neerav, sir, to please come forward and present the memento to Pratik, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I call forward Rajendra sir to present a memento to CA Abhishek Jain. I request Rajendra sir to please come forward and present a memento to Abhishek sir. I request Abhishek sir to please join us on the stage and receive the memento as a token of appreciation from Rajendra sir. Thank you so much, sir. And now, to present a memento on behalf of HAME Securities to the team of Ganesh Green, I request Pratik sir to please come forward and present the memento to Ketan sir, Neerav sir, Rajendra sir, and Krunal sir from Ganesh Green Bharat Limited. I request Abhishek sir to please also join us on the stage. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Pratik, sir. Moving forward, a beautiful moment is, I think मुझे कृणाल सर ने बोला था कि father यहाँ पे बैठे हैं. Before the listing, he was very calm. After the listing, he got so emotional. At every moment, he has clapped loudly, he has shed tears, he has smiled beautifully. What a beautiful moment. I think a round of applause should go to him too, for all the efforts that he has shown to raise such a, क्या बोलते, काबिल इंसान सर. काबिलियत का पीछा करो, सक्सेस तो झक मार के पीछा आएगी. I think you've done exactly that, and it shows beautifully. A huge round of applause for the family members, for the wives, for the mothers who hold down the fort while they're out there working. कुछ पता नहीं होता कब आएंगे, काम से गए होते हैं, and they've given 24 hours. So while they give the 24 hours, they give 48 hours a day to handle the homes and the society. It is a commendable job and nobody can compare to it. So a huge round of applause for them as well. And how can we forget the team of Ganesh Green? I know that the process of IPO is not just a 1-month task, it is a year-long task, it is months-long, and it is a very rigorous process. and to join that and to give full dedication to bring that company to this point and then put on more efforts to bring it to another level is a commendable job. So a huge round of applause for the team of Ganesh also. अपने लिए जोर से ताली बजा दो, because you've done it too. Every person, whether at a small position or a big position, has contributed to this company equally. And moving forward, I'd like to call forward Krunal sir, who is the CFO of the company, to share the vote of thanks with us as this ceremony comes to a bittersweet end. So for that, sir, I'd like to call you.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of the Ganesh Green Bharat Limited, I am deeply honored and genuinely moved to the extent our heartful thanks and the appreciation to all who have joined us today to celebrate truly momentous occasion, the listing of the Ganesh Green Bharat Limited on NSE emerged. First and foremost, I would like to express deepest gratitude to the NSE for their continuous support and for providing us with this prestigious SME platform. The listing is not just a milestone, it is the testament of our collective hard work and dedication and share the vision of greener future. I find myself proudly today reflecting on the journey that brought us here. To our esteemed shareholder, your unwavering trust and confidence have been the bedrock of the growth and success. Your belief in our vision and commitment has been our driving force, and for that we are eternally grateful. To our dedicated team at Ganesh Green Bharat Limited, word cannot be expressed how thankful I am for your relentless pursuit of the excellence. Your passion, hard work, and unwavering dedication have brought us to the pivotal moment. This achievement is as much yours as it is the company's. I am incredibly proud to be a part of the exceptional team. Heartful thank to all investor, banker, partner, Hem Security, merchant banker, advisor, Proex, Abhishek Jain, consultant who have stood by us and providing invisible guidance and support throughout the journey. Your expertise and insights have been crucial in navigating the complexity of the listing process, and we are deeply appreciate your contribution. I also extend our sincere apology to media and member appreciation to the media and member of the press for your continued support and covering our journey and helping us to reach a wider audience. Last but not the least, I want to thank all family and friends. Your unwavering support and courage have been a constant source of strength of our life for all of us. Your love and belief in our mission have helped us reach the remarkable milestone. As we embark in this new chapter, we reaffirm our commitment to sustainable growth, innovation, and creating the value of all our stakeholders. We are excited about the future and look forward to continue this journey with all of you by our side. Once again, thank you all being here and your continuous support. Thank you all of you. Let's join with the branch.
Thank you so much, sir. I think Krunal sir खुशी से इतना भर चुके हैं कि he doesn't know what to speak. He's just like, I am happy. Beautiful moments, beautiful ceremony to have experienced, and all the well-wishers that have joined us here today. It is simply the support and prayers that help us get through anything, that help the company get through anything. So thank you for that, all the supporters, all the family members. A deep sense of gratitude I have on behalf of Ganesh Greens. I thank you, all of you, for joining us here, and I hope Ganesh Green Bharat reaches greater heights. जब नाम इतना शुभ है, तो let us end this event by taking the name of the company. So 1, 2, 3 पे सब एक साथ जय श्री गणेशा बोलेंगे, ठीक है? 1, 2, 3, जय श्री गणेशा. Thank you all for joining us here. I invite you all to brunch now and have a lovely day. Thank you all.